What is up, guys? We're back with another video, and we're on our way to the car meet and the cruise, car/cruise, and we're low-key late, but it's okay. We had to make sure his 135 was clean and up to par. We don't want to be the only dirty ones, and he just got it back yesterday, so we got to make sure it's clean. Hopefully we still get in, but we'll see. Get away from these hoonigans. Live out here, you know a pet peeve is going 60 miles per hour on the HOV lane. Don't do that, please. Like, if this was GTA, I would probably, like, you know, get in my Insurgent and, like, just blow it up. He literally told me it was the other address. I looked, there's another address here. Like I was saying, we went to the wrong address. What was all that for? That shit was funny. We got to the location after probably an hour of driving, if not damn near, because we basically went all the way up to Peoria to come all the way back down to Dysart. So just to drive back over there. But after that, we're gonna call it a day because we got shit to do tomorrow, guys. We got shit to do. So I believe it's like to the left over here by Taco. No way, Lambo doors? Oh shit. It literally says no revving, but obviously, you know, people don't listen. Clean little FRS. Sheesh. Wow. Little E92. This is clean. Man's E92. Sheesh. Interior. He got the spinners on him. Hey. 135. I sitting down. Pretty. Eyebrow is still broken. This is crazy. Clean E92 though. Supercar? What the? This is the guy we seen on the highway. This is clean. Barely see these. This is clean. Jeez. This is nice. This is
There's
clean.
one up there too.
Really? I think this is the one he was talking about. Fast boy. V-lock. This is clean. Barely see these. Godzilla? Jeez. This is clean. R35s are always clean. Uh-oh. 12. It's like Fast and Furious. We all just jump in our cars. This one's like a paint or something. Like a marker. I forgot the name of it. This was an S13, I think. Yeah.
What?
Volkswagens. Jeez, top mount. Fast boys. This one's clean. Clean M2. Ford's carbon, huh? This is clean. Oh, this is the one I seen on the Instagram. It's nice. Jeez, what is this? R32? Clean R32. Jeez. Okay, my boy. Damn, yeah, this shit is clean. The M2 is like low-key my favorite one here, besides the R35. Where do we meet up? What, we huddle up or what?
For one, I know we said we're gonna roll out at 8. We're gonna wait till around 8:15. Slush is running late. They're bringing like a few cars. We're waiting for them. They have a camera car, all that good stuff. So we have to wait for them.
Okay. Bro got the Raven spec. I was saying the Gapplebees. Why is this actually clean? Oh shit. E30 boy. They're gonna flame me for that? Look how it just sits right here. This is cool. G82? Where it all started right here. Little RSX boys. Sheesh, bro threw his doors up. Sick ass phone. Bro, I remember I had like 3 of these, bro. Literally 3 of these. Literally, guys, this is like my first car. Yeah, the Civic over there too. Is that a dog? I didn't even see him. Supercar? Question mark? This is clean. I low-key like red and black. Oh shit, my boy's still here. It's him. This is clean. Okay. The brake does go crazy.
Yeah, hella.
Look at the wrap though. Shit's clean. Shit's clean. Okay, my boy. Yeah. Uh-oh. Little M55. Oh shit, better watch out. Nah, this is dope. This is clean. This is hella clean. So we're going back in the car and we're gonna get some rollers pretty much. We pretty much follow everyone else here, so it's like Fast and Furious. Everyone roll out. Literally everyone just rolls out. Sick ass fool. Jeez. Look at my boy in the big, what is that, an S? I don't even know, guys. Comment down below, what is that? Clean ass dude. Bro, that color is just sick. It's F82, bro. What you guys think? E92 M3 or F80 M3? Comment down below. I say F80, I'm sorry. So we're all rolling out right now. We're about to just like go to some cruise, and then pretty much after that, me and Ham are probably gonna head home. But for now, sick ass R33. Looks like a dragon, huh? Little wagon. Okay. Mama Duke's doing? L Mama Duke's. Oh, is this E90 right here? The E90 is still behind us, but I'm pretty sure he probably just doesn't even know where he's going. He's just following him. That shit's funny. So I think right now we're going to Gilbert. Pretty much the cruise was supposed to be from where we just were to where we're going. So I don't know where we're going though. I just know we're going over there. And a lot of the cars are way behind us, so we're trying to like slow down. We were low-key like spazzing out, but we're trying to get some, you know, some content on the other cars. R33 right here. Oh my God. Bro, that thing is so loud. Oh, I caught that. Guys, we're pretty much at the we're pretty much at the next location. I don't know. We went from an Ashley's Furniture to an Arby's. Oh, literally. But I don't know what we're doing here. But I don't know, more content, I guess. But I guess this is a location only some people got. Well, whoever got that email. So.
I just want to let y'all know this is not an M2. People keep saying nice M2, bro. It's not an M2.
Yeah, whoever's watching this video is not an M2. We're literally gonna put the badge M question mark as a troll because no one ever knows. So. Slam boys. All right, so we're at the next location here. E92 M3's parking right next to us, of course. M2? M2? It's E92 from earlier. So it's clean. Bunch of little Beamers over there. GTR. Same dude from earlier. Jesus. Dude, this is really... Damn! That actually sounded like a gunshot, bro.
What was that?
It was the Gap Cam one. This shit's clean though. I've always loved the blue on it. I don't know. I love whoever's car. I think it's this car. This shit's fire as fuck. M2s are growing on me, and he has Fords. I don't know if you can see. He has like Fords carbon. This shit is mint.
Nate's selling like M2 brakes and I can put them on mine.
Really?
Yeah.
Clean M2.
We had them on the 335 IS.
Jeez.
Look at the RSX.
This shit's clean. Oh, I think bro's a menace. Jesus. VQ boys. Oh shit, Purple Skull Trooper. Okay.
Turbo 2.
Bro's not playing. This shit's clean.
What size it is.
Look at the size, bro.
This thing's clean, bro.
Bro didn't come to play at all. I don't know. White is hidden right now. White is hidden. Uh-oh. 2468. Hey. Hey. Long story short, guys. Popo pulled up and we got to get out of here now. Because, yeah, they're going to try to conduct an investigation at us. Nah, we're just leaving before they, you know, start being extra. I don't even think they're shutting it down, but I think they're about to. Like, they're all right here, pretty much making sure no one revs. But they're like 4 deep over there. Guys, comment down below too if you enjoyed the vlog and what more do you want to see, because I'm gonna keep throwing out content this year. I'm gonna try to be consistent, and I just want you guys to enjoy the videos and you know, leave a like, leave a comment. It helps me out a lot. It lets me know if you guys want to see more. It lets me know if you guys like the vlogs, like the videos, and don't forget to subscribe. So love you guys. God bless you guys, and I'm out. Peace.